Hey guys, I'm Shibumi Jones. Thanks for joining my channel. Today we are going to make some sous vide carrots. So I got a really beautiful bunch of carrots that came with the tops, came with the greens. We're gonna sous vide them with a little salt, pepper, olive oil. Also, because it's springtime, we're going to add some culinary grade lavender buds. Lavender is beautifully aromatic. You can compare it to like oregano and sage, but with a more flowery component to it. It does amazing things to the carrots. We're gonna sous vide them, and then we're going to take them out of the bag, dry them off, and then we're gonna toss them in the cast iron skillet, just get a little caramelization and color on the outside, and then we're going to finish it off with a little lemon juice and fleur de sel. So good. These are like gonna be the best carrots of your life. Really, they are. Really, they are. It really does wonders to the carrots. It makes the carrots taste like so different than you've ever had them before. Carrots are sweet and earthy. The lavender is herby, earthy, and flowery and aromatic, so it's a beautiful combination. This is one of my favorite things to sous vide because it cooks the carrot gently from the outside to in without making it super mushy. We're gonna sous vide them at 180 for 1 hour. If you want to try a different style of cooking carrots that makes them really carroty and delicious, definitely sous vide them. Hey guys, gyms are closed right now. I miss Muay Thai, I miss boxing, I miss Jiu-Jitsu, but everybody's been really hitting it hard at home. Hashtag quarantine workout. I've been really motivated by what I've seen. There's even people that don't work out that often that are just really hitting it hard, really pushing to get in shape. It's really been rubbing off on me. I'm becoming very motivated by this, and so I've just been really hitting it hard, and I have just been working out this chocolate chip cookie dough recipe. I have been trying different ratios, different combinations. This is the one right here. This is so good. I can tell it's gonna be perfect. Best shape of my life. These are almost perfect circles, little perfect mounds. It takes a lot of work and dedication and drive. This is like food goals to the max right now. I'm gonna try to fit in some workouts. My food schedule is very packed right now.